Good morning from this really wet County Limerick. Got to clear out some of these cupboards. Like I've got to clean. In fact, I've got to clear out all of them because there's still some work that needs to be done. But we went out in her because she was here, and after everything that doing up this van has caused us, the amount of heartbreak. Listen, Ollie's going to do a video on it of how we got ripped off, and if the man who sold us the van is watching, shame on you. You'll get no look for what you did. Anyway, that's enough of that. We've still got some bits to do. There's a piece above the back rear doors here that has to be covered. We have to put the tint onto the two rear windows. At the moment we've got a curtain up there, but that's only two, and we've got those blackout blinds that just go on, you know, the magnetic ones. Yeah, so that's that. Now I have got to sort of, like, what do they call it? We'll call it clear out the cupboards, because I took everything that you think you need and I found out you don't. So I'll just show you this cupboard a minute, you know, in a van. That there is what I would class as the bathroom cupboard. And I found out there is so much in there that I don't need. I ain't got a bath or anything like that. Haven't got a shower, even though we do get showers. We go to leisure centres and we have strip washers like we used to when we were kids. So I've got to clear that out. There's some partitions that I've got to go in. This one, they're all sliding doors, which is brilliant. This one would be, it's sort of like for the, what you call them? Told you what I'm like for my words. The first aid kit, the fire blanket's got to go in there, and that's all the camera stuff in a wash bag. He's got to put a shelf up here so that the tripods can go in there, otherwise you're trying to reach in behind. The two bottom cupboards are clothes, so those haven't got to be touched. Hang on a second. Right, these are, oops, that's got to be fixed back up. Okay, this is sort of like cups and all that, so he's putting a shelf up there. That's got to be fixed back up. Like I said, we went out before all this was finished, so that's got to be done. This is the food cupboard, and again, a shelf's got to go up here and it's got to be finished off. And this is the plate cupboard. We have, don't know if you can see in there, we have far too many plates and bits and pieces, so going to downsize that. The cupboard down below is, don't know if can you see it, I'm not very good at this at the moment. This is going to be framed. In there would be like all my cleaning stuff, my coffee machine, which is the most important thing in this van. Cooker's fine. I'm not very good at this, am I? Cooker's fine. This is the sink at the moment. It's got all the rubbish on it because I'm cleaning as I'm going along. Underneath there's a good sized sink. That's a chopping board which I burnt. Got magnetic blinds to go there. Hope you, can't see. This is sort of like our garage, so door and all that's got to go in there. And he's fitting the, you know, the thing that does from the leisure batteries to the alternator. Right, this one here, do you see these seats? Okay, they are so comfortable. His brother made them. He is an upholsterer and a unique one, because believe it or not, this man has one arm. And anyway, used all these fancy foams, which made it so comfortable that we went out and bought a new mattress for the house. And it's brilliant how these works. And when the other work is done, okay, I will show you it properly. You know, but I just thought I'd make a video this morning because we're not going to be going out anywhere. We might do a day trip in the Jeep. just, you know, so we can do a video and keep you up to date. Because Maudie is due for DOE, which is the same as an MOT. The problem is, like I said, we got ripped off. There's an awful lot of work to be done. Well, saying that, Ollie's done most of it. And she had a wishbone. Yeah, wishbone gone on it. So he's had to repair that, which wasn't easy because of the bad workmanship. Anyway, that's enough of that. So I'm going to clear these out for the simple reason. Oh my God. Oh, I can't get rid of my books. Gotta have the books. But yeah, I am so overpacked. Like, look. Hang on, there's one. Oh, and everything is such a mess because there's too much. Look. It's crazy. I've even got, and don't ask me why I've done this, wait till you see this, coat hangers. Because I thought, oh, when we do the washing, can hang the coat hangers up inside and dry the washing. Then I thought, why? These wash machines and these laundry systems they got in the garage, there's a tumble dryer. Put it in, fold it, put it away. So they won't be going back in. What else have I got in here? Mirror essential. Oh, I've got to show you this one. I thought I'd buy a hair dryer, like a little small one with some brushes, for here, because as you can see, this needs a lot of help. Right, I am going to be dyeing it because I was in that mood at 62. I thought, embrace your grey, Joyce. Nah, ain't happening. Ain't happening. Anyway, so I thought it was a travel one when I ordered off Amazon. And this came. Look at the size of the brush. I haven't got, look, my hair's not long enough. The only piece I can do is my fringe. So yeah, one of the granddaughters will be getting that. But I now have a small little travel hair dryer with a brush, with brushes. So Oliver's shaving stuff. These towels, absolutely love it. We used to go camping. We were camping on taking the motorbikes when it was all loaded up with the stuff, but I can no longer ride a motorbike. So we got rid of the motorbikes, and that was the reason we got one of these. And then we went from the motorbikes into the Jeep, sleeping in the back when we were wild camping. But when we were camping on sites, we done the tent thing and that. Anyway, we do the Rory Gallagher Fest. It's brilliant. It's on the sort of like the June bank holiday weekend. So we were doing that this year, and we'll take you with it because it's brilliant. It's sort of like 40 plus. So you've got no problems there. It's brilliant. But when we first started camping, I got these, the micro towels, and they're brilliant because no matter how wet they get, well, I suppose 20 minutes to half an hour, dry. So they're perfect. And as you can see, they're very compact. Another hairbrush, another hanger, hairspray essential. That will be staying. And then I don't know, I'll show you again. Sorry about all this. You see, that's where our glasses are. Problem is, they're not very stable. So I'm going to put a partition here. So it's just for the glasses. Because you've got to have your glasses and not these. So anyway, this is the stuff I've got to do here. Because, oh, you know, and do you know what, believe it or not, my house isn't cluttered. I hate clutter. So I'm having to do, I like these. They're my toothbrush cups. What's that say? I do not spew. Oh, it's no good. Like I said to you on my other video, with this thing that happened to my brain, I can't read and speak out loud. So only one. Mind you, it's like most things in life that I can do. Oh, I've got to show you this lamp. Look at that. Team Use Best. €6. Absolutely love it. Without these lights on at the top of a night time. Oh, it's so cozy. This is just fantastic. It's so warm. We were away and I think the temperatures were -3 outside, and because we had to completely strip everything out and start again, Ollie got this really thick insulation stuff. You'll see it all when he does the video. Place is so warm. The only time we had to put the diesel heater on was when we went out, got some chips. It wasn't very far up the road, so there's no point moving the van. And we come back and, you know, cold. Put it on for 10 minutes, that was it. I suppose every time we've gone out, and like we've been out a few times before we done this, and we decided, like we said before, we decided to do this for a laugh. While I'm at it, please subscribe. We'd love to grow this channel. You know, it's something we want to do in our retirement. Plus, if we make some cash a day, bonus. You know, so look, please subscribe, like, and comment, because I like to chat back to you. Really weird, as you can see. I chat a lot. It's true what Ollie says. I chat a lot. So anyway, I thought I'd let you see the mistakes I made packing this up, because I've actually got a full box of stuff which I managed to jam into this cupboard. But I will tell you, we have a huge amount of storage space under both sides. There's complete room. This side would be classed, I think they call it a garage, because we have the leisure batteries and Ollie's tools and the diesel heater. The other side, at the moment we got the bedding in it, but I find it so awkward getting it out at night. So we've got a plan in action for that, because these cushions are lovely. The way John, the upholsterer, done it, is that they're actually we call it hinged, and you just pull the bottom ones out. There's no taking one out and taking the other one out. You just pull them together. So getting the bedding out at night, oh, I can't. All I want to do is lie down, put my feet up with a cup of coffee. Yeah, so I thought I'd give you a quick look around it. I hope you will carry on, you will carry on watching our videos. They will get better. They will, I promise you. And what we're doing is we're watching other YouTubers who are doing the similar kind of thing as us, and learning how these videos should go. And like I watched, I subscribed to her and watched, let me get this right, Van Life with Miss V, her dog. And she she was showing how to edit on your phone. Now I'm learning the edit. That's why they're not that great as well being put together. But I am learning. I use CapCut, and on the phone, VN. And then, God, let me get this right. Behind the curb, he showed CapCut on your phone. And he gave tips. I think it was his last video or the video before. Awesome. You learned quite a lot. So we are getting there. We are getting there. And I promise you, Spielberg won't stand a chance once I get this right. Anyway, listen, thank you so much for watching our videos. Can't believe we're over 1,500 videos. Please, bear with me with my speech. Like, it's not too bad. In fact, it's actually brilliant, but I ain't embarrassed about it when I mess up a word. But anyway, it's enough of that rubbish. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Like, comment, and of course, subscribe, because we want to show you what we get up to, the laughs we have, because Ollie, now I can't believe this, on the videos, you can hardly hear Ollie. If you met Ollie in real life, he's loud. He's loud. And if there's laughter going on, you can guarantee Ollie's in the middle of it. I'll tell you something, his daughter rang, I think it was maybe 2 videos ago, and she actually said, I can't believe I'm actually saying this, Dad, but you need to speak up. So he's going to be trying to make more of an effort. Bless him. Yeah, like Ollie is, I'll tell you what Ollie's like, to give you a thing. When he wakes up in the morning, he is not natural. He wakes up, springs out of bed, full of laughter and fun and joy brings in the cup of coffee where I like to ease in today. I have to give him his due. He does make me a cup of coffee every morning, but he's very hard to handle. You know, I mean, one of those people who it's just, and he's like that all through the day till about 7 o'clock at night. And then he's like a baba. He starts to quiet down because he's getting tired, which is awesome. Anyway, I'm yapping on again. So if you could subscribe to help our channel grow, we would so appreciate that. Keep watching our videos and see how we are improving as we go along. Thank you to you all. Anyway, that's enough yap. I'm going to get all this sorted out and catch you in the next video. Okay? Speak to you later. Have a great day. Thank you.